Susharma was purified. Once there lived a man called Susharma. He was born in a Brahmin family but was a sinful man. He always enjoyed hurting others. One day Susharma entered the garden of a sage to disturb him during his prayers. There a snake bit him and he died. Because of all his sins, he was sent to hell and suffered for a long time. Afterward, he was reborn as a bull and was purchased by a man. For many years, he had to carry heavy loads on his back. One day the bull fell unconscious and was about to die. All people who watched the scene felt sorry for the bull and presented him with some credit for their good deeds. After the bull had died and reached in front of Yamraja, he was informed that he was freed from the fruits of all his previous sinful deeds. In his next life, Susharma again took birth as a Brahmin. He met all the people who had presented him with the credit of their good deeds and thanked them for their kindness. Susharma eventually became completely pure and performed all generous and kind deeds. The favorite devotee. One day sage Narada went to Lord Vishnu and asked him who his favorite devotee was. He had thought that the Lord would say his name, but the Lord said that there was a farmer on earth who was his favorite devotee. Sage Narada was upset and decided to test the farmer. He went to the farmer and started observing him secretly. He noticed that the farmer chanted the name of the Lord only 3 times a day. Once after waking up in the morning, next before starting his labor in the field, and finally before sleeping at night. He was surprised and told this to Vishnu and asked the reason for the farmer being his favorite devotee. Before answering his question, Lord Vishnu gave the sage a vessel filled with water. He asked him to go round the world holding the vessel and no drop of water should fall off the vessel. Following the Lord's orders, Sage Narada completed the assigned work and returned to the Lord. Vishnu then asked the sage how many times he chanted the Lord's name during his work. He was ashamed as he had not remembered the Lord even once during his work. He realized his mistake and felt sorry for his silly behavior. Birth of Hanuman. Long time ago, Lord Brahma lived with many attendants. Once he was pleased with her beautiful helper Anjana and decided to reward her. In her reward, Anjana asked to be freed from a curse according to which she would become monkey-faced if she fell in love with someone. The Lord granted her wish and told that she would be freed from the curse if an incarnation of Lord Shiva was born to her. Some days later, Anjana met a monkey-faced man, Kesari. She fell in love with him and they were married. One day, Anjana was worshipping Lord Shiva. Suddenly, wind started blowing fast and some payasam fell into her palms from a bird's beak. It was a sacred payasam offered to King Dashrath by Lord Agni to be fed to his wives to get sons. The bird had snatched a part of it in its beak. Anjana ate the payasam believing it to be the Lord's offering. Due to this, an incarnation of Lord Shiva was born to her as her son Hanuman. She was freed from the curse and returned to heaven after handing her son to Kesari. Hanuman grew up inheriting Lord Vayu's unmatched divine powers. He became a great devotee of Lord Rama.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.